This is Cha-Cha sunflower seeds. I think this is most popular or the most sold sunflower seeds. It got very good flavor. You see the sunflower seed is big and everything that's easy to crack. You see that how big it is. It's really delicious. It's crunchy and how can I say it, full of delicious. You see it's super easy to open and the seeds is big. Once you start eating, you just cannot stop like this. It's hard to describe what actually the flavor is, but it is like a lots of spice combination, and I promise it's very good. You need to try this.